morning, one and all. Hope everyone is okay. Stay home, stay safe. 16th September of every year is designated as World Ozone Day, or it is also called International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer. But what is ozone and what is ozone layer and why to protect it? Let us see now. We all know trioxygen is called ozone. Chemical formula for ozone is O3 and contains 3 molecules of oxygen. For our normal inhalation, we need 2 molecules of oxygen present in air and is sufficient and necessary for our survival on earth. One inhales ozone in minor quantities. It can cause chest pain, coughing, shortness of breath, and throat irritation. Chronic patients with respiratory diseases may get more problems by inhaling ozone. A concentrated ozone layer exists in the stratosphere between 15 to 30 kilometers height from the Earth's surface. This layer protects all human beings, animals, plants, and marine animals and plants. In other words, ozone layer is protecting life on Earth. Between 1985 and 87, it was identified that the ozone layer is getting depleted. That is, there is a reduction in the amount of ozone in stratosphere. This is mainly due to industries producing soaps, insulating foams, solvents, air conditioners, refrigerators, and takeaway containers. They all use chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, clones, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, in short HCFCs, carbon dioxide, and other pollutants. Ozone layer depletes when CFCs go to atmosphere. UV radiation coming from sun breaks the CFCs and chlorine molecules come out and reacts with ozone. In ozone layer, one chlorine atom can deplete 100,000 ozone molecules in ozone layer. When ozone layer depletes, human health is at risk because of cancers, sunburns, and premature skin aging. In plants, we can see the growth is affected, reduced production from plants, photosynthesis and flowering is affected. In animals, eye and skin cancers are caused. In sea, plants and animal life, they are at risk. Many species may disappear. UV radiations coming from sun are absorbed by the ozone layer and protecting people, animals, plants from UV radiations effect directly. If ozone layer is not there, it will affect directly. UV radiations will come in contact with plants, humans, and animals. Maintenance of this ozone layer in stratosphere is very vital for life on Earth. In 1987, 189 countries have signed a protocol for protecting this ozone layer by reducing the usage and production of CFC substances. The decision to ban these cannot be taken by United States of America or United Nations. All countries have to come together to resolve this issue for future. With this intention, in 1994, United Nations has proclaimed 16 September as World Ozone Day to create awareness among public and to reduce substances which result in depletion of ozone layer. Results have shown improvements in maintaining the ozone layer since the start of Montreal Protocol in 1987. Hence, World Ozone Day plays a vital role for the life of Earth. Ozone for life is the slogan of the day, and let us all unite to reduce usage of substances which deplete ozone layer. Let us move towards protecting the ozone layer, which is the life of Earth. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you very much.